everyone, my name is Eskiel Warang and I'm student at Bina Sarana Informatika aka BSI, majoring in communication study.
Today I'm going to present about simple present tense, especially the verbal sentence. On definition, the simple present tense is used to describe habits, routines, and general truths. It's talk about things that happen regularly or fact that never. Example of definitions is I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, or the sunrise in the east, or water boils at 100 Celsius. Functions of simple present tense is the simple present tense has several functions. We use it to express daily habits, general truth, fixed schedules, or even feelings and opinions. Form of simple present tense for formula: subject plus verb 1 plus she or is for he, she, it. The form is quite simple: subject plus verb 1 and we add she or is when the subject is she, he, or it. For example is I play football but she plays guitar. And positive sentence is, let's look at the sentence form. In positive sentence, we simply use the best form of the verb. Formula: subject plus verb 1 plus she or is. And examples is he works in a bank, they study English, and we use he or is for he, she, it. Negative sentence: for in negative sentence we add do not or does not. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example: I do not like coffee. She does not eat meat. Use does not for he, she, it. And interrogative sentence: do or does plus subject plus verb 1. And for questions, we use the do or does at the beginning. For example, do you play basketball?
Spelling rules for verb plus s or s: play, plays, watch, watch, go, goes, study, study. Remember these rules when using he, she, or it. Here are some more examples to make it clearer. Positive: she study English every day. Negative: they don't go out often. Question: do they eat breakfast together? As you can see, the structure is simple when you understand the pattern. The simple present tense, we often use adverbs of frequency such as always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. For example, I always drink coffee in the morning, or she usually walks to campus. These adverbs help us to describe how often an action happens. Now, let's look at some common mistake. Many students say he play football. That's incorrect. The correct form is he play football. Also, never say doesn't like tea. It should be she doesn't like tea. This example show how small change can make a big difference in grammar. Why it's so important? We use the simple present tense every day when talking about routines, facts, or feeling. That's why it's one of the most important tense to master. In conclusion, simple present tense is very easy and useful. Just remember to add s or s for he, she, it, and use do or does for question or negative. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.